Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes Evershine Coaching Center. My dear students, I am Shah Sir here. Today we are going to discuss class 10th mathematics chapter statistics. Here I would like to tell you few points before we could start this chapter. Here I will be using multiple languages so that it will be helpful for Kannada medium students along with the English medium students. Okay, so I will be using the language Kannada, English and Hindi. Now, the very most important part, so what we need to study in the chapter statistics. In case if we want to score in math, what we are supposed to do? ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ठीक है. So here in this chapter what it may come in the exam we are going to study. Is this clear? What we want to study in this chapter, which type of questions will come in the exam and how we should solve it, what is the shortcut method to solve the answers, and also which type of questions will come in the exam. So here you can just follow the things like what I am suggesting for you people, so that is more than sufficient. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗುಡ್. Now let me begin the chapter statistics crash course. Now this video will be helpful for all the students who belongs to NCERT, that is CBSE board students, and also the Karnataka state board students. So this video will be helpful for all the students who belongs to CBSE board and also the students who belongs to Karnataka board. Along with that, whichever the state who all are following NCERT textbooks, this video will be helpful and also the contents will be helpful for those all students. Any doubts? Good. Now without wasting much time, let me start solving the questions. Now first question here is, what is statistics? What is the use of statistics? But don't worry, they won't ask you this question. But in general, we need to understand. Understood? What is statistics? See children, statistics is nothing but it is a kind of a business. If in case, in your life, in future, in your daily life, we are doing so many transactions. Isn't it? हमारे daily life में हम बहुत सारे transactions कर रहे हैं. हम किसी को कुछ दे रहे हैं, हम किसी से कुछ ले रहे हैं, कुछ बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, कुछ लॉस हो रहा है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज़ व्हाट स्टैटिस्टिक्स. सो स्टैटिस्टिक्स इज़ ए कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल डेटास. अंडरस्टूड? जो भी डेटा है, अब इसमें इस चैप्टर में हम डेटा का वर्ड इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इन दिस चैप्टर वी यूज द वर्ड डेटा, स्कोर्स, ऑब्जर्वेशन. अंडरस्टूड? सो वेन एवर द टर्म कम्स आई लेट यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. ठीक है? यू एंड हियर nothing is like much is there in this chapter which you want to study, got it? But you may get a definite questions where easily you can score a very good marks, got it? So statistics which is been helpful for us in our daily life transactions in business, got it? So and also this chapter is very helpful to lead our future life also, got it? In case if you are going to face any competitive exams in your future, this chapter holds good and majority of the questions may appear from this chapter. So that is the advantage of studying this chapter. Is this clear? Good. Now in this chapter, first let me have ए स्मॉल रिकैप व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. ठीक है, अब इस चैप्टर में हम क्या क्या पढ़ने के लिए जा रहे हैं. इन दिस चैप्टर फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट मीन, ओके, एंड देन वी स्टडी अबाउट मोड, देन वी स्टडी अबाउट मीडियन, देन वी स्टडी अबाउट ogive curves. Ogive curve. In ogive curve we have two types. One is less than type. One is what? Less than type ogive, and the second one is more than type ogive. Any doubts? So this is what this chapter contains. That's it. Very easy, very interesting, very simple. समझ में आया बेटा? Understood or not? ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Good. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಓದಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೀನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೀನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಮೋಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಒಜೈವ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द मीडियन. समझ में बेटा? ओजाइव ग्राफ से हम क्या फाइंड करने के लिए जा रहे हैं? मीडियन की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. मीडियन फाइंड करने का एक ग्राफिकल मेथड है, वो ओजाइव कर्व बोलते हैं. मीडियन को फार्मूला से अगर से सॉल्व किए तो मीडियन बोलेंगे. मीडियन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए अगर से ग्राफ का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं ओजाइव कर्व. दैट्स ऑल. उसमें भी मीडियन की वैल्यू फाइंड हो रही है, नथिंग एल्स. इज दिस क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स? प्लीज आई वांट, as you people watch the video, simultaneously you need to copy down these all points, because we can't give you the separate time to copy down the given points. Got it? Simultaneously you have to watch the video, write the heading, take the whatever we write on the board, please jot down those points, and after the session you people can sit and start revising multiple times for the same questions. In case if you know the procedure, देखो बेटा इस चैप्टर में क्या चाहिए हमारे को? बस प्रोसीजर चाहिए. समझ में आ रहा है? प्रोसीजर अगर से आपको पता है, इफ यू नो द प्रोसीजर, then it will be easy for you people to solve any type of question. Understood? Good. Now okay students, come, let's start. Now first we are going to study about mean. Are you getting, children? Mean. What is mean? What do you mean by mean? It is nothing but it is the average of number of observations. What is mean? It is the average. It is the average of number of observations, scores, data, anything. देखो बेटा किसी का अगर से आप एवरेज निकाल रहे हैं तो हम उसको बोलते हैं मीन. एवरेज, द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म इज व्हाट? एवरेज. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, सो व्हाट इज एवरेज? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एवरेज? एवरेज का मतलब जो भी नंबर्स रहते हैं ना, लेट वी टेक सम नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, सम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, मे बी लाइक 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. आर यू गेटिंग? इन सारों को हम क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. एवरेज का मीनिंग क्या है? जो भी नंबर्स रहेंगे, जो भी डेटा दिया जाएगा, वॉट एवर द डेटा इज बीन गिवन, यू ऐड ऑल द नंबर्स. आफ्टर एडिंग ऑल द नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एवरेज. समझ में आया बेटा? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? क्या करना है? पूरे नंबर्स को हमारे को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग रेफरेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100. once I added these all terms, it's not correct value, I am just giving example. Total is 100, assume it, divided by 5 items are there. Can you see number of items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many items are there? 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are 0. So what is average? 20. That is called as average. Understood? Average of number of observations. ये पूरे observations हैं, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These all are what? Observations. Understood? पूरे observations को add करना है, divided by number of observations. That is nothing but average. ये find out करने के लिए हम बोलते हैं mean. That's it. Any doubts? Any doubts? What is mean? Mean is nothing but it is the average of number of observations. Average of number of observations. And remember, it is denoted by the symbol It is denoted by the symbol X bar. This is the symbol. What it is? How it is denoted? X bar. मीन को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? एवरेज भी बुला सकते हैं. मीन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एवरेज. समटाइम्स इन द क्वेश्चन दे में आस्क यू फाइंड द एवरेज. उसका मतलब क्या है? व्हाट डू मीन बाय दैट? मीन. एवरेज इज नथिंग बट मीन. मीन को ही हम एवरेज के नाम से भी बुला सकते हैं. बट सिंबल इज एक्स बार. एक्स बार. एनी डाउट? हाँ. अब हम इसमें एक चीज को इस्तेमाल किए हैं. कैन यू सी दिस? वी हैव टेकन वन थिंग. व्हाट इट इज? ऑब्जर्वेशन. ऑब्जर्वेशन भी बोल सकते हैं हम उसको, स्कोर्स भी बोल सकते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग चिल्ड्रन? डेटा भी बोल सकते हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल दैट एज डेटा. ऑब्जर्वेशन, स्कोर्स, डेटा, एलिमेंट्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, एनीथिंग. लेट यू टेक एनीथिंग. आर यू गेटिंग? हाँ. अब ये डेटा जो है दो प्रकार का होता है. या इस तरह डेटाज ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು तरह डेटाज ಇರುತ್ತೆ. दो टाइप का डेटाज रहेगा. वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ डेटाज. जो भी क्वेश्चन आपको दिया जाएगा आपको दो टाइप्स में दिया जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग चिल्ड्रन? वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन विज बीन गिवन दे विल गिव इन विच फॉर्म? इन टू फॉर्म्स. दो फॉर्म्स में दिया जाएगा. ठीक है. अब एग्जाम्पल. नो वी ऑल आर सिटिंग हियर, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? नाउ the peoples, the students here, how many students are sitting in this class? How many number of students are sitting in this class? I can classify them into two types. अब ये पूरे students को मैं दो types में classify करूँगा. Example. Now I have given the test for you all. ठीक है? क्या करके बेटा? टेस्ट दिया हूँ. ठीक है? टेस्ट हो चुका है. टेस्ट इज बिन कंडक्टेड. टेस्ट हो गया है. अब मेरे को रिजल्ट अनाउंस करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू डिक्लेयर द रिजल्ट्स. ठीक है? जब मैं रिजल्ट्स को डिक्लेयर करना है मैं दो टाइप्स में रिजल्ट्स को डिक्लेयर करूंगा. हाउ? एग्जाम्पल. आई विल डिक्लेयर द रिजल्ट्स इनटू टू फॉर्म्स. विच आर दोस? वन इज कॉल्ड एज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. व्हाट इट इज? अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज ग्रुप्ड डेटा. फॉलो द स्टेप्स. फॉलो द स्टेप्स. वन इज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा एंड द सेकेंड वन इज ग्रुप्ड डेटा. तो मैं जो भी रिजल्ट्स रहेगा हमें इसको दो टाइप्स में क्लासिफाई करके डिक्लेयर करूंगा. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. अनग्रुप्ड डेटा स्टूडेंट नंबर 1. एग्जांपल लेट वी टेक स्कोर्स एज एक्स. अभी डेटा है ना, ये डेटा को मैं क्या ले रहा हूं? एक्स. एक्स करके मतलब कि इसका हेडिंग, ये रिजल्ट का टाइटल एक्स. ठीक है. रोल नंबर 1 हाउ मच यू हैव स्कोर्ड? सर आई हैव स्कोर्ड 10 मार्क्स. रोल नंबर 2 how much you have scored? Sir I have scored 30 marks. Roll number 3 how much you have scored? Sir I have scored 50 marks. Are you getting children? Did you understood? Every individual student marks what I am doing? I am not adding. I am writing here. Can you say this? First student marks here, second student marks here. So in general let me take this is what is number of observations. Correct? I will write all the scores here. समझ में बेटा? सिंगल इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स का रिजल्ट्स क्या कर रहा हूँ इसमें लिखते जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ डिक्लेयरिंग द रिजल्ट्स. एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स? गुड. एंड द सेकेंड टाइप इज ग्रुप डेटा. सेम रिजल्ट्स को मैं ग्रुप डेटा में अनाउंस करूंगा. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल एक्स मीन्स स्कोर्स. एक्स मीन्स व्हाट? स्कोर्स. स्कोर्स मीन्स डेटा और ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड इज कॉल्ड एज एफ मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. व्हाट इट इज? फ्रीक्वेंसी. एग्जाम्पल लेट मी टेक एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है. Let me take for example one student have taken 10 marks, one more student has taken 15 marks, one more student has taken 9 marks, one more that I will take one more example for that. Okay, now let me take integers only. One student has taken 20 marks, one student has taken 15 marks, one student has taken 5 marks. Are you getting? Again one more student has taken 20 marks, so and so. Are you getting children? Did you understood? एक स्टूडेंट क्या किया है? अलग अलग टाइप से मार्क्स निकाला है. अब मैं इसमें क्या करूंगा? इन दिस व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक 5 10, 15, 20, 25. Are you getting, children? No, 5, marks 5, marks 5. How many students have taken marks 5? How many students have taken marks 5? Can you see this? In this highlighted portion, how many students have taken marks 5? 1 student. I'll write frequency 1. Did you understand what's the meaning of frequency? How many students have taken 10 marks? 1. How many students have taken 15 marks? 2. How many students have taken 20 marks? 2. How many students have taken 25 marks? 1. So this is what we can represent the data. Here what happens? The paper size will consume, the paper size will decrease. यही अगर से हम लिखना तो क्या करना था, कितने observations लिखना था. It takes more time, right? It's a very lengthy process. Here what we did, the number of item, the number of score, the number of data, if it is repeating, that is called as frequency. Did you understood? Same thing we can also write in the form of class interval. In group data, again we can represent this data in the form of class interval, like 1 to 5. 1 से लेको 5 तक, 1 से 5 तक. Same thing, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like this. Example, 1, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 15, 13, okay, 19. Are you getting, children? 12, something like this. अब यहाँ can you see this? 1 to 5 frequency, 1 से लेकर 5 तक. 1 से start होना, 5 के अंदर. After 1 or after 1, before 5. How many numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, before 5, not 5, before 5. 1 to 5 means 1 or after 1, before 5. 5 to 10 means 5 after 5, before 10. 10 से पहले कितने numbers आ रही? 5 या 5 के बाद में 10 से पहले. Are you getting, children? Yeah, now 1 to 5. How many numbers are coming between 1 to 5? 3. 5 to 10? 5, 7, 9. Are you getting, children? Yes or no? How many? 3. 10 to 15? Only 1. 15 to 20? 8. 10 to 15. Here also is there, no man? 13. Correct, no? 10, 13, 12. Again this is also 3. Next 15 to 20? 2. This is how we can represent. This form of data is called as group data. Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you get the difference between what is ungrouped data and what is group data? In ungrouped data they will give you only one column. In group data they will give you two columns. Above column is either they will give scores or they will give you class interval, and second is frequency. Any doubt? Yes? Huh? What happened? I am just taking an example, man. Understood? In that range, if anything comes under range, that is called as class interval. What it is called as? What it is called as? Class interval. In short, I will write that as CI, means class interval. If they give exact, that is score. If they give like this, class interval. Later we discuss step by step how to solve the rest of the sums. Any doubts? Speak out. Followed the steps? Good. Now we have to find what we need to find, children? What we are going to find? Mean, isn't it? We need to find mean. To find mean, we have three types, three methods are there. Okay? There are three ways we can find the mean. तीन टाइप से हमें मीन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. The first method to find the mean is called as direct method. Copy down these points, it's very important. What's the first method to find mean? Direct method. And the second method is called as assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. And the third method is called as step deviation method. Any doubts? Any doubts? How many types of data are there? How many types of data are there? How many types of data are there? Two types. Ungrouped data, group data. Common sense, isn't it? How many types of data are there? Two types. Which are those? Ungrouped data and group data. How many methods are there to find mean? We have three methods. Which are those? Direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Step deviation method. Now, let me solve this step by step. Okay, let me solve this step by step. Now, in case, assume they have given ungrouped data. क्या दिया बेटा? For that, let me do one thing better. I'll give separate title. Direct method. Okay. Direct method. Suppose they have given ungrouped data. Which data? Ungrouped data. And second, they have given grouped data. How to find the mean? Correct? समझ में बेटा? क्वेश्चन तुम ना किस में देखो है? अनग्रुप डेटा के फॉर्म में देखो है. विच फॉर्म? क्वेश्चन हैज गिवन लाइक दिस. कैन यू सी दिस? क्वेश्चन हैज गिवन लाइक दिस. एज्यूम सम नंबर्स आर देयर. अगर से क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसा दिया है, दे हैव गिवन ओनली स्कोर्स एंड दे आर आस्किंग फाइंड मीन, देन वी हैव द फॉर्मूला x bar is equals to sigma x by n. This is the formula to find mean. Understood? क्या करना है बेटा? x bar is equals to summation of x. sigma x means पूरे x के वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है. sigma summation, इसका मतलब एडिशन. इसका मतलब क्या है? एडिशन. अगर से सिग्मा डालकर आपको x आ गया तो इसका मतलब क्या है? पूरे x के वैल्यूज को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. पूरे x के वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है. अगर से इसी तरह से सिग्मा f आ गया, इसका मतलब क्या है? पूरे f के वैल्यूज को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. ऑल f वैल्यूज वी हैव टू ऐड, दैट इज सिग्मा f. अगर से आपको सिग्मा fx करके आ गया, इसका मतलब क्या है? पूरे fx के वैल्यूज को f इंटू x के वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है, दैट इज सिग्मा fx. Sigma, this symbol whenever you see, it means that it is addition. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that it is addition. Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Speak out fast. Good. Second method is group data. Correct now? In case if we want to find the mean by using group data, अगर से क्वेश्चन आपको ग्रुप डेटा के फॉर्म में दिया है, जैसे कि x, f और क्लास इंटरवल फ्रीक्वेंसी जो भी है, ठीक है. लेटर वी सॉल्व एनी हाउ, बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द प्रोसीजर. अगर से क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसा दिया गया है, क्लास इंटरवल फ्रीक्वेंसी और स्कोर साइन फ्रीक्वेंसी, दे हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द मीन? टू फाइंड मीन वी हैव द फार्मूला x बार इज इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा fx बाई n. एनी डाउट्स? हियर इन दिस, हियर n is nothing but sigma f. What is n? n means sigma f. आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा भी देकर रहेगा, सिग्मा fi करके भी देकर रहेगा, या सिग्मा xi करके भी देकर रहेगा. xi और x both are same, don't worry. Just you write f or fi, both are same, don't worry. Any doubt? समझ में आया नहीं? हाँ. अब एक काम करेंगे. Now let me do one thing. See here, interesting. Procedure to solve the problems. What is the procedure? Table. जनरल प्रोसीजर. क्वेश्चन कैसा भी देने दीजिए, ठीक है. प्रोसीजर, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड? गुड. सी हियर, प्रोसीजर टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू मीन. सपोज दे हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. ओके, फाइंड द मीन फॉर द गिवन फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और द फॉलोइंग डेटा. दे हैव गिवन सम वैल्यूज. अज्यूम दे हैव गिवन व्हाट? सम नंबर्स. कुछ नंबर्स दिया गया है. अज्यूम इट. प्रोसीजर, बेसिक प्रोसीजर, कुछ नंबर्स दिया है इसमें, ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1, आपको ये चेक करना है ये प्रॉब्लम अनग्रुप डेटा है का है, ग्रुप डेटा का है. दिस प्रॉब्लम इज रिलेटेड टू अनग्रुप डेटा और ग्रुप डेटा. ओनली एक्स, नो. व्हाट डज इट मीन? अनग्रुप डेटा. पहले आपको क्या करना है? फॉर्मूला लिख देना है. सिंपल. क्या करना है बेटा? formula. What is the formula to find mean? X bar is equals to sigma x by n. Any doubts? फर्स्ट राइट द फार्मूला. अब क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन जो भी दिया है आपको उसको लिख दीजिए. वॉट एवर दे हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन, राइट इट. दे हैव गिवन x values, no? I will write all the values of x. This. All values of x I have written. I'll make one table. समझ में आया बेटा? हाँ, आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, सिग्मा x चाहिए. कैन यू सी दिस? व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? सिग्मा x. इसका मतलब क्या है, ये पूरे x के वैल्यूज को क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. Whatever you get the answer here, whatever the answer you get here, this answer is sigma x. Simple. Understood? समझ में आया बेटा? 10, 20, 30, 40 they have given. Add all numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. So sigma x is 100. Any doubts? Sigma x is what? 100. So now what we can do, x bar is equals to sigma x. Sigma x की वैल्यू को लिखना है आपको. What is sigma x? 100. Whatever you get, write this number, sigma x divided by n. Count how many numbers are there? 4 items. So divided by 4. Now divide this. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Remainder 2, 20. 4 5s are 20. So x bar is how much? 25. This is your final answer. Over. This carries 3 marks. Here every problem, whichever the problem we are solving, all problems carries 3 marks. Is this difficult? In case if they give ungrouped data, they will ask for 1 mark or 2 marks somewhere. When they ask group data, they will ask for 3 marks. They will ask for 3 marks. Now this type of question, mostly it will be applicable for 1 mark. Ungrouped data. Any doubts? Speak out fast. Any doubts? No, sir. Yeah, please copy down these steps. It will be very helpful for you. Understood the procedure? Yes, sir. If they give the question like this, first write the formula. In formula, what all it's missing, find it, substitute, calculate. That's it. Okay, students. Now, let me see the format. How to solve the problems related to group data. ठीक है? Now assume they have given the question like this: scores, frequency. ठीक है? Are you getting, children? They have given the table in this format. Assume this is the question. Some values are given in this. Okay. Suppose the question is given for you in this format. स्कोर्स देखो है और फ्रीक्वेंसी देकर है. स्टेप नंबर 1, व्हाट वी शुड डू? क्विक फार्मूला. वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला टू फाइंड मीन? x bar is equals to sigma fx by n. Here n means what? Here n means what? What is n? Sigma f. N means sigma f. Now step number 1, write the formula. Step number 2, what? Same thing you copy down. What is given x? Write all the values of x. What is given f? Write all the values of f. Any doubts? Now for general example, I will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Frequency I will take it as 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Something like this. Assume it. ठीक है बेटा? समझ में आया नहीं? हाँ. x लिख दिए, f लिख दिए. अब फार्मूला को आना है. What is required in the formula? सिग्मा fx. सिग्मा को छोड़ दीजिए. पहले उससे पहले क्या चाहिए हमारे को? fx चाहिए. What do you mean by fx? f into x. f और x की वैल्यूज को क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. What is x value? 10. What is f value? 2. 10 to 20. That is f into x. Multiply all the values. समझ में बेटा? 10 to 20. 23 60. 31 30. 42 80. 53 150. Multiply all the values. F into x, f into x, f into x. This into this, this into this. Are you getting, children? Understood? This into this. Multiply. 10 to 20. 23 60. 31 30. 42 80. 53 150. Understood? Multiply all the values. After multiplying, what is required? See, fx we did. Before fx, what is there? Sigma. What is there? Sigma. What is sigma? Add. What to add? All fx values we have to add. What we should do? We have to add all these numbers. Once we add all these numbers, we get one solution, we get one answer. That answer is what? Sigma fx. Any doubts? That answer is what? Sigma fx. Now we got sigma fx value. Now what is required? N. What is n? Sigma f. Now what we should do? Add all the values of f. We get one answer. This answer is what? Sigma f. That is nothing but n. Now once we get these values, what we should do? X bar is equals to sigma fx. We got some number, right? Substitute here. N value, substitute here. Cancel this both, you get one solution. That is nothing but your mean. That's it. 3 marks. This type of sum definitely it will come. Definitely it will come. 110% sure it will come. Simple procedure by using direct method. इसे क्या बोलते हैं बेटा हम? डायरेक्ट मेथड इसीलिए बोलते हैं, डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? अंडरस्टूड? श्योर? गुड. नाउ वन मोर मेथड इज देयर इन ग्रुप डेटा, विच इज दैट? क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करके पूछेगा. क्या पूछेगा? क्लास इंटरवल फ्रीक्वेंसी. अब इसमें स्कोर्स और फ्रीक्वेंसी डायरेक्ट दिया था ना, अब इसमें स्कोर्स डायरेक्ट नहीं देगा. क्या करेगा? व्हाट ही विल डू? he will give indirectly, that is class interval frequency. That is called as class interval frequency. Any doubts? Understood or not? Yes, good. Now shall we solve few problems related to mean? Yes, related to mean by using direct method? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Good. Take down. First question. First question. Please take down. Find the mean. Take down. Find the mean for the following. Find the mean for the following grouped data. Find the mean for the following group data by direct method. By which method? See, in question only as given. देखो बेटा, sometimes they will mention by direct method का तो direct method ही use करना है. Assume method, assume mean method only you should use. Step deviation method only you should use. But majorly for Karnataka state board students, they will ask direct method. For CBSE board students, anything is applicable. You should be ready to face any method. Understood? This is the difference between Karnataka state board and CBSE board. Done? Good. Now they have given the values. Class interval, take down. Frequency. Class intervals 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequencies are 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. Simple. Understood? Is this difficult? Very good. Congratulations. Today you have scored 3 marks. So now today 3 marks is there in your pocket wallet. Okay. Children, did you understood? Any doubts still here? Now interesting question, interesting point. First, what we should do, as I said, write the formula. देखो बेटा, can you see this? What we have to find here? Please read the question properly. Find the mean. To find mean, what is the formula? Sigma fx by n. Correct me क्या बेटा? First we write x values. Which values? x means scores. Is nothing but midpoint भी बोलती. अब ये प्रॉब्लम है midpoint भी बोलती. Now देखो बेटा, अब ये क्या कर को है, रेंज में देखो है 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. दे हैव गिवन इन रेंज. रेंज में देखो, अब हमने क्या होना है, रेंज में से हमें मिड पॉइंट निकालना है. इसका क्या निकालना है? मिड पॉइंट. हाउ टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट? हियर इन फॉर 1 मार्क दे विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. अंडरस्टूड? हाउ टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ क्लास इंटरवल. बेटा एक बार एग्जाम में पूछ को है क्वेश्चन, मल्टीपल चॉइस में. अभी 10 to 20 का मिड पॉइंट निकालना है, तो कैसा निकालेंगे? हाउ विल यू फाइंड इट? रिमेंबर वी हैव द फार्मूला फॉर दैट. टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ क्लास इंटरवल, एनी क्लास इंटरवल, दैट इज अपर लिमिट प्लस लोअर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाय 2. रिमेंबर 1 mark question. What is the formula to find the midpoint of any class interval? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 divided by 2. बेटा एक बार एग्जाम में आई थिंक 21 अप्रैल और जून, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, एक बार एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आकर है मल्टीपल चॉइस में. ऑप्शंस वाज गिवन लाइक दिस: अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट बाय 2, अपर लिमिट इनटू, इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लस एडिशन, इनटू लोअर लिमिट माइनस डिवाइड, ऐसा वैल्यूज को चेंज करको था बेटा. तो आपको बहुत केयरफुल रहना है. वी आर एडिंग. समझ में आया बेटा? हाँ. नाउ सी हियर, व्हाट इज upper limit? 10 to 20. Can you see this range? 10 to 20. What is upper limit? 20 plus lower limit 10 divided by 2. 20 plus 10 30. 30 by 2 15. So this is the midpoint. Follow the steps how to find the midpoint. Add upper limit and lower limit, or lower limit and upper limit. दोनों को add करो, divide by 2. 10 plus 20 30. 30 by 2 15. 20 प्लस 30 50. 50 में कहा था 25. देखो बेटा, आपको पूरे को ऐसा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 2 कर लियो बस, 2 वैल्यूज को. बात देख लियो, फर्स्ट टर्म और सेकेंड टर्म कैसा मिल रहा, थर्ड टर्म भी वैसा मिलता. सिंपल. 15 के बाद क्या मिला है? व्हाट डिड वी गेट आफ्टर 15? आफ्टर 25, आफ्टर 35, आफ्टर 45. सिंपल, वी गॉट द स्टेप्स. अंडरस्टूड? इज दिस डिफिकल्ट? समझ में आ बेटा? एक 2 इंटरवल्स को देख लियो, पहले चेक कर लियो 2 इंटरवल्स कैसा मिला है. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ 2 ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 10 plus 20 30. 30 by 2 means 15. 20 plus 30 means 50. 50 by 2 means 25. Once if it is 15, this is 25, this is 35, this is 45, this is 55. Any doubts? Speak out children fast. No, we got all these scores. That's nothing but midpoints. अब इस प्रॉब्लम में हम x को क्या बोलेंगे? midpoint. अब इसके बाद क्या चाहिए हमारे को? x तो मिल गया ना, कैन यू सी द फार्मूला? x के वैल्यूज तो मिल गए. अभी क्या चाहिए हमारे को? f वैल्यूज दे हैव गिवन 2 3 5 7 3. प्लीज राइट इन ऑर्डर. अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट यू शुड डू चिल्ड्रंस? राइट इन ऑर्डर. सर ऑर्डर मीन्स व्हाट? आई विल टेल यू. मिस्टेक नंबर 1. देखो बेटा, समथिंग इट शुड नॉट हैपन लाइक दिस. सर कंग्रेचुलेशन, ऑपरेशन सक्सेस बट पेशेंट डेड. दैट शुड नॉट हैपन चिल्ड्रंस. अंडरस्टूड? ऑपरेशन सक्सेस बट पेशेंट डेड. व्हाई? मीन्स सीजर वाज इनसाइड ओनली. अंडरस्टूड? ऑपरेशन किया है लेकिन सीजर कहाँ है? पेट के अंदर ही है. इट मीन्स सी what usually the children will do this mistake. देखो बेटा, whenever I tell you people also sometimes write 10, you will write sir 10, write 20 20, 30 40 100 like this. It means that what? You are not writing these numbers in an order. When you don't write the numbers in an order, what happens? Calculation goes wrong. कैलकुलेशन गोज रॉन्ग. अब क्या करते हैं आपको? कैन यू सी दिस? अब ये लाइन में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 0, तो 0 लिख देंगे. करेक्ट. अब ये लाइन में क्या दिख रहा है? 2 लिख देंगे. ये लाइन में क्या दिख रहा है? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. सो आंसर 920 हो गया. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन आंसर. नहीं क्या बेटा? अंडरस्टूड? आर यू गेटिंग? हाँ. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? आपको अब्बा एक प्रोविजन स्टोर ओपन करको देना, उसके अंदर तुम ना बिठाना, ये कैलकुलेशन करको पैसे सामने वाले कस्टमर को दे डालना. गॉट इट? 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 100 is 920. Is the answer is correct? Wrong. Sometimes same number you may take twice, thrice it happens. एक ही एक नंबर को आप 2 टाइम भी यूज कर लेंगे. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, सेम वैल्यूज को किस तरह से लिखना है? You should write like this: 10. Can you see this? 20. Can you see this? 30. Can you see this? 40. Can you see this? 100. It means that these all digits should come in this line. These all digits should come in this line. These all digits should come in this line. This is what we call it as order. We have to write the numbers in order. We have to write the elements in order. So that is the advantage. So that you may not go with any calculation or what? Solution wrong. Any doubts? Come to the point. Now we got all the values of f, isn't it? Now we got all the values of x. देखो बेटा, अगर से क्वेश्चन में आपको डायरेक्ट x और f देकर रहा तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. अगर से क्लास इंटरवल देखो रहा तो आपको फर्स्ट व्हाट यू शुड डू, यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट दैट क्लास इंटरवल एज मिड पॉइंट, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन फार्मूला? sigma fx. Before sigma what is required? fx. Now first let me find the values of f into x. Quick. 52 सा 15 2 सा. बेटा आपको ये लाइन को बाजू ही नहीं लिखना है, थोड़ा स्पेस छोड़ के लिखना है. क्यों बोले तो ट्रिपल डिजिट आ गया तो 4 डिजिट्स आ गया तो फिर लिखने के लिए आपको स्पेस नहीं मिलेगा, इसके लिए. ओके ओके हाँ. 15 इंटू 2 25 3 सा 70. 35 5 सा क्विक. 5 5 सा 25. 5 3 सा 15 plus 2 हाँ 17. very good, correct. 35 5 सा 175, correct. हाँ 45 7 सा 7 5 सा 7 5 सा 35 3 7 4 सा 28 28 plus 3 28 plus 3 315. 55 into 3 5 3 are 15. 5 3 are 15. 5 3 are 15 plus 1 16. 165. Children, in case if you are finding some difficulty, please don't use any shortcuts. Understood? Better you can write like this: 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. Substitute. Do this working. Put one working column in the same page. Put one working column and do the calculation. Do this type of extra working in pencil. Extra working in pencil. Understood? Understood? Here only final answer. Here only final answer. We got fx. Now what is required? What is required? Sigma fx. Step by step. Sigma fx. Sigma fx means what? We should add all these numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20. 0 to carry. 2 plus 3. Quick. I need the response fast. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 7. 12. 12 plus 7. 19. Plus 1. 20. Plus 6. 26. 6 to carry. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. What is this 7? What is this 7? I mean, what is this 760? Yes, this is sigma fx. Any doubts? Any doubts? We got sigma fx. No, still what is required? N. What is n? What is n? Sigma f. Means add all values of f. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 7. 17 plus 3. 20. What is this? N. That is nothing but sigma f. Now what we should do? We need to find mean. So x bar is equals to sigma fx. What is sigma fx answer? 760 divided by n 20. 0 0 get cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. In 7 6 goes, remainder is 1. 1 becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. So mean is how much? This is the final answer. 3 marks. This problem carries how many marks? 3 marks. Is this correct? Wrong. Highlighted. It's wrong. Why? You know? Reason is this. Working should be in working column. See, working column is here. Got it? Understood? Understood?
Sir.
One more thing mistake is there. You know what? This. See, before that you should write the data. What is required? Sigma fx, no? Right here. Sigma fx का answer क्या बेटा? 760 right here. N means sigma f. What is means? 20. Write this and then substitute. पहले calculate करो, पूरे अंक को एक जगह लिखो, बाद में substitute करो. It's not like wrong. Understood? You will avoid mistakes. You may avoid mistakes. That's it. It's not wrong. First, if you write all these values separately and then if you substitute, it will be helpful for you only. Copy down. Okay. Observe your students. The next problem is find the mean for the following distribution. Okay. For the following frequency distribution. Now you can see the class intervals are given 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. So this is the class interval and frequency. Step number 1. What we should do? Quick. No, better you can write formula right hand side. What is the formula? X bar is equals to sigma fx by n. Any doubts? Now what is required? Quick. X. Now solution. This is the answer we are going to solve. Solution x. What we should do? How to find midpoint? 5 plus 15. 5 plus 15 add lower limit and upper limit. We should add, no? देखो बेटा 5 और 15 है, 5 को भी 15 को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. डिवाइड बाई 2. 5 plus 15 20. 20 by 2 10. Any doubts? Understood? Same way. 15 plus 25. 15 plus 25. 40. 40 by 2 20. Enough. After 10 what we get? What we are getting? 20. After 20? Then don't go 60 70. See the last digit. How many intervals are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Then 1 2 3 4 5. Enough. Any doubts? Understood? Now we got the midpoints and then frequency. What are the frequency values? 3 4 8 7 and 3. Any doubts? Concepts are clear? Concept is clear? Yes. Now what we should do? What is required? fx. Multiply quick. Tell me the answer. First is 30, 80, 240. Next is 280. Next is 150. Is it correct? Wrong. Order is wrong. Correct? Is it in order? No. Then it will be very difficult for us to do the calculation if it is not in order. So we have to follow order. Believe in justice. Okay. 10 3s are 30. As I said, you leave some space and write. Do you remember? Next is quick. 80. Then 240. Then 280. And then 150. Any doubts? What? 150. Now what we should do? Sigma fx. We got fx, no? No, sigma fx. Sigma means what? Adding all fx values. Quick, add all the values of fx. What is the answer? 0. 8 plus 3? 3 plus 8? 11. 11 plus 4? 15. 15 plus 8? 23. 23 plus 5? 28. 2 carry 4, 6, 7. How much it is? 780. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Now what is N? Sigma F. What is N? What is N? N is sigma F, isn't it? Good. 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. Plus 3, 25. Now what we can do? If you want, directly you can just write this is sigma fx, correct? Instead of writing, you can highlight here also, no problem. And then this is N. N is nothing but sigma F. Concepts are clear? Concepts are clear? Now what we can do? We can write x bar is equals to sigma fx is 780 divided by n is 25. Understood? Now directly can we go with 25 tables, or you can take 5 tables. You can split and you can solve, or directly you can take 25. It's up to you. समझ में आया बेटा? Shall we go with 5 tables? 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2, 28. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 3, 30. 5 6 are 30. Now directly 5 tables. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 1. Keep point 10. 5 2s are 10. So the mean is 31.2. This is mean. Understood? Understood? Very good. Copy down. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood how to find the mean by using direct method. Now same question, same problem, let me solve by using assumed mean method. Let me see how to solve the same problem by using assumed mean method. Here we will do a small modification. I am just going to eliminate these points, correct? Are you getting, children? Yes, I have eliminated these points. Now as we know that anyhow, let the problem by using any method, we want midpoint and we want f. X and f is must and should. Now what we do to find mean by using assumed mean method, we have the formula x bar is equals to a plus sigma fd by n. What is the formula? X bar is equals to a plus sigma fd by n. Now interesting factor. देखो बेटा, what is a? A is assumed mean. A को क्या बोलते बेटा? What we call the A? What we call A as? A we call it as assumed mean. Don't forget. Now how to find assumed mean? I'll give one small logic. देखो बेटा, clean से सुन लेना. Example 1 2 3 4 5. Assume I have taken some numbers. अब इसमें हमें क्या करना है? In this what we should do? Simple. First cancel. Cancel नहीं करना, दिमाग में cancel कर लेना. First and last. Understood? Next, second, again here second. From top second, from bottom second. Now what is left out in the center? 3. This is assumed mean. Now one intelligent student will ask one question. Sir, first last, second last, we cancelled. Sir, middle we got. Sir, if question comes like this, 1 2 3 4, correct? Intelligent student asks this question. Now fine, no problem, cancel first, cancel last. Sir, for 2 and 3 also if I cancel, what is left out? Nothing. Then assume mean is what? In that scenario, when nothing is left out in the middle, जब भी हम cancel करेंगे कोई भी चीज़ बीच में नहीं बच रही है, no value is existed. At that time there is a tie, match is draw, match is tie. Which is the bigger number among 2 and 3? 3 is assumed mean. See, the word itself, the term itself, sir 2 लिया तो क्या होता? Take, who was saying don't take? You can take 2 also. See, the word itself is what? Assume. We are assuming. It's not exact. It is assumed mean. Assume कर रहे हैं सो बेटा हमें. We are assuming. We can take 2 also, we can take 3 also. In case if you take 3, you will get somewhere accurate answer. Nearest answer you will get. 2 लेने से accurate answer नहीं मिलता. बहुत डिफरेंस आता। 3 लेने से तुमने क्या होता, आंसर जो मिलना है उसमें भी क्या होता है, आपको नियर बाई आंसर मिलेगा। एनी डाउट्स? नियरेस्ट वैल्यू। सो ऑलवेज वी गिव प्रेफरेंस फॉर बिगर नंबर, नेक्स्ट डिजिट। एनी डाउट्स? स्पीक आउट चिल्ड्रंस। No doubts? Okay. Now according to this question, what is assumed mean? Quick. What is assumed mean? A is equals to? See, hey, in C x values, man. Then what? We have to see in the values of x. 10, 50 get cancel. Can you see this? 10 and 50 get cancel. Understood or not? Cancel 10, cancel 50, cancel 20, cancel 40. Left out is 30. So what is 30? 30 is assumed mean. Any doubt? Because we got the assumed mean. Yes or no? A की वैल्यू तो मिल गई. Now what is left out? सिग्मा एफ डी. सिग्मा छोड़ दो, सिग्मा लास्ट में करना है, कहा है उससे पहले क्या करना है, एफ इंटू डी. एफ तो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है, वी ऑलरेडी हैव एफ वैल्यू. Now what is required? D. D means deviation. What is D? D is nothing but deviation. To find D we have the formula D is equals to x minus a. Simple. What is D? What is D? X minus a. What is x? 10 minus a 30 is equals to, don't calculate, don't calculate, don't calculate. Understood? Just write 10 minus, I'll give the logic how to calculate. 10 minus 30, then 20 minus 30, then 30 minus 30, then 40 minus 30, then 50 minus 30. Any doubts? Now 10 minus 30. In 10 can you subtract 30? No. No means minus. Remember? Remember previous logic? Good. Now 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 30, 20 में से 30 जाएगा? No. So minus 30 minus 20, 10. 30 minus 30, 40 minus 30, 50 minus 30. Something can you see is happening? Something can you see is happening? Plus 10 minus 10 plus 20 minus. अगर से कुछ, अगर से आप wrong हो गया तो भी आपको इधर पता चल जाएगा. This is interesting. Any doubts? Now what are the values of D? Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20. These all are the values of D. Now what is required? Formula. What is required? F into D. Correct? F into D. F is what? What is the value of F? 3. What is D? Minus 20. F 4. What is D? Minus 10. 8, 0, 7, 10, 3, 20. Now what we should do? We should multiply. Correct now? Are you getting, children? Now can we multiply? Can we multiply? 3 into minus 20 plus into minus, minus 60. Correct? Plus into minus, minus. 4 tens are 40. 8 zeros are 0. 7 tens are 70. 3 twenties are 60. Children, here you should be very careful when you add this. देखो बेटा, जब भी ऐड करेंगे आपको क्या करना है, पूरे माइनस को सेपरेटली कैलकुलेट करना है, पूरे प्लस के वैल्यूज को सेपरेटली कैलकुलेट करना है. कैलकुलेट ऑल माइनस वैल्यूज सेपरेटली एंड ऑल पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज सेपरेटली. एनी डाउट्स? अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ कैन यू सी दिस? minus 60 minus 40, how much? Minus 100. If all are minus, we should add, minus remains same. Minus 60 minus 40, minus 100. 70 plus 60, 130. Now we should add this both. Got it? 130 में से 100 जाने से क्या बचेगा? In 130 if we subtract 100, what is left out? So this 30 is what? Sigma FD. Any doubts? Did you understood how to solve this? Separately add negative values, separately add positive values, then you add both the values. Got it? Now what is required? N. What is required? N. How to find N? How to find N? Quick. Add all F values, that is sigma F. You should say like that, man. You should say sigma F. Understood? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, plus 3, What is 25? N value. That is nothing but sigma f. That's nothing but sigma f. Now can we substitute these values? Now x bar is equals to, see children, here actually I am solving right side, but actually what you should do, table should be in the top and calculation should be bottom of the table. Table के नीचे करना है calculation. Actually I am doing right hand side because I have more space here, but in your answer sheet you may not get so much space. You have to start doing the calculation below the table. जैसे आप ये x के values देखेंगे ना, we'll lay some 2-3 lines, then you start doing the calculation. Understood? Okay, now come to this point. X bar equals a. What is a? 30. Assuming 30 plus sigma fd 30. Understood? Divided by n 25. Now is equals to 30 plus 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. Remainder is how much? In 30, 25 goes. Remainder 5. 5 बचा नहीं क्या बेटा? अब 25 के टेबल्स में 5 जाएगा? No. So we have to keep point, take 1 0. Now it becomes 50. 25 2s are 50. Answer is 1.2. Now 30 plus 1.2, 31.2. Very interesting answer. Can you check previous answer? Can you check this answer? Both are one and the same. Understood? So when we should use this method, remember actually ये method को assume mean method आपको कब इस्तेमाल करना है बोले तो when they give this class interval values bigger numbers like 40 to 55, sometimes they will give bigger number. Understood? 40, 50, 60, 100 like that they will give you. At that scenario you can use assume mid mean. Assume mean से क्या होगा मालूम? ये जो आपको लास्ट में FD मिला है ना, you have get some smaller digits, so calculation will become easy. If you do direct method, what happens? The digits will become bigger. Once if the digit becomes bigger, calculation also becomes bigger. That is a disadvantage. Any doubts? Concepts are clear? Understood or not? Speak out, children. Good. Yes, students, observe here. Same problem like what we have done. Understood? You can apply same method to solve these sums. Okay, you can work on yourself so that you will get a better practice. Find the mean for the following distribution, class interval frequency. Again question number 4, here also find the mean. Can you see the difference between question number 3 and 4? In question number 4, the intervals are more and even the digits also are bigger. So in this scenario, in this case, you can use assume mean method. In question number 3, you can directly use your direct method, you can do it. But you can see question number 4, intervals are more. So you can use assumed mean method. Even direct method also you can use, but it may take lengthy procedure and also the digits also will become bigger. So calculations will become a bit difficult for you. For that purpose, assume mean method is a better solution. Again question number 5, you can see here, and then we have question number 6. Question number 6. And my dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it, and after watching this video you can share this video with your other friends, even let they also get benefited out of this. Okay, and then question number 6, to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected in 30 localities. Total how many localities are there? 30. It means the value of n is 30. If you want, you can add this all frequency. Here also you can see 30 only you will get. Understood? Total 30 localities are there. So n equals 30 in a certain city. They have given concentration of SO2. Please don't get confused with the above given information or SO2, ppm, something like they have given. It's nothing but this is your class interval and this is your frequency. That's it. Understood? 0.00, 0.04. Add these both numbers, divide by 2, you will get x value. Understood? You will get the value of x. So you can use your assumed mean method also to solve this sum. So it will be a better solution for you. Any doubts? So find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. See here, main technical word is what? Mean. This is important. Let they give XYZ information, but just see the key point. What is required? Mean, mode or median. That's it. What is there? Mean. It means we have to find mean. Average means we have to find mean. Any doubts? Good. So this is the end of your part 1. We have done mean, and in the part 2 video we will be covering mode, median and ogive curve. I hope the class is interesting for you all and you have got benefited out of this session, isn't it? And also the admissions are opened in our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center, Bangalore. In the below description we have given the contact details. You can comment us how was this session and what video you want to make us next. Keep watching. Do take care. Wish you all the best of luck.